In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat notifications. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying if you're trying to, get any messages or anything like that on Snapchat, but you're not receiving any notifications. So you want to go ahead and fix that. There's two different things we can do. Go over to your settings application, scroll down, and then go to general. Then go to iPhone storage, and then go over to Snapchat. And then what we're going to do is offload the app. This is going to essentially clear the cache for Snapchat and see if notifications end up coming through. If that doesn't work, go all the way back and then go all the way to the bottom where it says apps. And then over here, we want to locate Snapchat. So you can scroll through your apps or you can press the search bar on the bottom. Go ahead and click on Snapchat. And then you're going to see a lot of different options here, but you're going to see notifications as one of them. If it says allow notifications, go ahead and turn it off and then enable it again just to give it a quick reset. And then if you want sounds or badges, or if you want to change the way notifications appear on your phone, you can change that as well, but then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.